Kaunti ma Kisumu nyakoro mgajwang atieri nyake kaunti mano ma Kisii kama midhiero nonenore e doho ma Nyamira e seche manochwala e nyim doho okinde adek ma bandia mabende nomak juma mokalo e alwora no. Achiel kuom achijego ne obwogo doho e kelo okil mare mabende ne omaki bang' yudo ni oonge kod otese malong'o mamiye thuolo mar yalo e nyim doho. Achijego nowe gi rambun mar siling 50,000 ka buchgi bende ibiro bed ka iyalo dwe mabiro.
We also wish to notify the public that while we were here in court waiting to take plea for these three suspects, we have also arrested another suspect within the court precincts at the mediation desk who has come with clients purporting to be an advocate, and that person has represented himself to the mediator that I'm an advocate so and so, and I'm here to represent my clients. And that person has also been arrested and placed in custody.
We are appealing to everyone out here that those people are everywhere, not just in cybers, but they are even here in court. They are not only pretending to be advocates, but they are also appealing to the members of the public that I know the JOs, the magistrates and the judges, I will assist you. They are collecting money and tarnishing the names of our good JOs.
So it is very easy for you to identify whether the advocate whether that person offering the services is an advocate. Just go to advocate search engine and you will identify the person giving you the legal services.